My name is Dr. Walter Campbell. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine. I run a clinic in Lauderhill, Florida. I'd like to discuss a case with you, Mary, 86-year-old woman who came in with multiple joint pain issues. She had an operation on her right shoulder and had trouble going past level or 90 degrees. Anything higher would cause pain. We were able to fix that or resolve that issue in less than 20 minutes using Master Tong's acupuncture. She had pain in her hip. We were able to resolve that with homeopathic injections. That was a little more chronic. She had pain in her knees with strong inflammation because there was no circulation in her knees, and we were able to get the circulation running in her knees and minimize her joint pain and make her functional in her life. We show she ran several businesses. So here's her video. Take a look and see how we did.
I would like to thank Dr. Campbell so very much. He was my last resort. I had difficulty. I could not lift my left arm, and I had had surgery on it, and I was thinking I would need a rotator cuff surgery again, but I've had multiple surgeries on my joints, and I did not want to get cut on anymore. I had difficulty walking. I had joint pain in my left leg, and but Dr. Campbell first helped me with my shoulder. I was not able to lift it. I could go as far as that, and after his treatment, I was able to lift it without any pain. And the other things he helped me with, multiple things he helped me with, is I had a knee replacement on the right knee, and my tibia, the calf of the muscle, was swollen, and I had no feeling in it after the replacement. So he treated me for that, and now I have feeling in the leg. Also the toes, he helped that because they were painful when I walked. He treated that. And I could go on. And then my hip, I had trouble walking because of hip pain and knee pains. So after the treatments, he treated my hip, and now I don't have any hip pain. So I'm so grateful because I've had 20 surgeries with anesthesia, and these all had side effects, and I absolutely do not want any more surgeries. I'm 86 years old, and so I'm so happy I came to see Dr. Campbell because he's helped me so much. I feel like almost like I have a new body. I get a new.
Oh God, you've made my day. I'm glad we've been able to help you. So God bless, and take care.
Thank you.
Well, if you're impressed with that video and we can help you with some of your problems, give us a call at 305-760-2414.